Welcome students for the video lecture of concrete technology. Myself Rushali Mane, lecturer in Civil Engineering Department, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. So in this video lecture we will see unit 3, that is concrete, and topic of today is 3.2, that is water cement ratio. Then vision of the institute: excellence in technical education to empower youth. Then mission: impart quality technical education to prepare students with excellent technical skills. Then develop competent and employable diploma engineers and responsible citizens. Then strengthen industry institute interaction. Then vision and mission of civil engineering department. Then vision: to impart excellent civil engineering skills to develop employable civil diploma engineers. Then mission: imparting the modern technical skills as per the requirement of the industry to improve employability, to develop social and environmental responsible civil engineers, and effective implementation of teaching learning process to benefit students. Then course outcome: so to prepare concrete of desired compressive strength. Then unit outcomes: in this unit we will study to select water cement ratio for a given grade of concrete with justification. Then program outcomes mapped here are basic discipline and knowledge, engineering tools, experimentation and testing, engineering practices for society, sustainability and environment, then project management, and then lifelong learning. So what is water cement ratio? So water cement ratio means it is the ratio between weight of water to weight of cement used in concrete mix. So water plays very important role in making of concrete. So it is necessary to add optimum quantity of water to allow hydration of cement completely and to make the mix workable enough such that it can be easily placed inside the formworks and around the reinforcement. मतलब जो भी वाटर हमको यूज़ करना है वो ऑप्टिमम क्वांटिटी का ही यूज़ करना है जिससे हमारा मिक्स जो बन रहा है वो इजीली वर्केबल हो. मतलब जो कंक्रीट ऑपरेशंस हमने देखे थे पिछले लेक्चर में, बैचिंग, मिक्सिंग, ट्रांसपोर्टिंग, ये सारे ऑपरेशंस हमको इजीली करते आने चाहिए. और फॉर्म वर्क मतलब फॉर्म वर्क के अराउंड इजीली फॉर्म वर्क के अंदर कंक्रीट प्लेस हो जाए और अराउंड द रेनफोर्समेंट भी इजीली प्लेस हो जाए. देन नॉर्मली वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो फॉल्स अंडर 0.4 to 0.6 as per IS code 10262 for nominal mix, that is M10, M15 and M25. Then water cement ratio will directly affect the strength of concrete. Either it increases the strength if used in correct proportion or decreases. तो हम हमेशा ही देखते आए कि वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो या वाटर का कितना इम्पैक्ट है स्ट्रेंथ पे. तो वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो जो है उसका डायरेक्टली स्ट्रेंथ अफेक्ट करेगा, या तो वो स्ट्रेंथ इंक्रीज करेगा या डिक्रीज करेगा. इसलिए जो भी वाटर यूज़ करना है वो प्रॉपर प्रोपोर्शन में ही यूज़ करना है. Then water cement ratio definition: it is the ratio of weight of water to the weight of cement used in concrete mix. Then water cement ratio is important parameter in deciding the strength and workability. हमको अगर कंक्रीट में स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए तो कंक्रीट वर्केबल भी होना चाहिए. तो वर्केबिलिटी बढ़ाने के चक्कर में हम वाटर इंक्रीज नहीं कर सकते. अगर हम वर्केबिलिटी देखेंगे तो हमारा स्ट्रेंथ पे इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. हम अननेसेसरी वाटर बढ़ाएंगे वर्केबिलिटी का मिलने के लिए, इजीनेस मिलने के लिए कंक्रीट के ऑपरेशंस में, बट स्ट्रेंथ रिड्यूस हो जाएगी अगर हम वाटर इंक्रीज करेंगे. तो हमको ऑप्टिमम क्वांटिटी ही यूज़ करना है. ऐसा ऑप्टिमम क्वांटिटी सिलेक्ट करना है जिससे हमारा मिक्स वर्केबल भी हो और हम स्ट्रेंथ भी अचीव कर सकें. Then role of water in concrete. So concrete is a macro content. इट कंटेन्स माइक्रो इंग्रेडिएंट्स. कौन कौन से माइक्रो इंग्रेडिएंट्स है? जैसे सीमेंट, सैंड, फाइन एग्रीगेट्स एंड कोर्स एग्रीगेट्स. सो इट इन ऑर्डर टू एक्वायर हाई स्ट्रेंथ कॉन्क्रीट which withstand up to our desired compressive strength, we need correct proportion and mixture to combine these material. तो करेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन का एड मिक्सचर भी हमको कंबाइन करने के लिए चाहिए. देन हियर कम्स द वाटर विच विल इनिशिएट दिस केमिकल प्रोसेस बाय एडिंग 23 to 25% ऑफ द सीमेंट वॉल्यूम. तो हमने देखा है कि 23% जो वाटर रिक्वायर्ड है दैट इज़ फॉर केमिकल रिएक्शन बिटवीन सीमेंट एंड वाटर, एंड 15% जो होता है वो जेल पोर्स फॉर्मेशन के लिए होता है टू फिल द वॉइड्स. So then effect of too much water in concrete. So if water of 23% of water is added for chemical process, then adding more water than this will allowable water cement limit will actually affect the strength. मतलब 23% ही हमको केमिकल रिएक्शन के लिए चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा अगर ऐड करेंगे तो हमारा कंक्रीट के स्ट्रेंथ पे अफेक्ट करेगा. देन अगर हम वर्केबिलिटी बढ़ाने के लिए वाटर इंक्रीज करेंगे तो वो डायरेक्टली हमारे स्ट्रेंथ पे अफेक्ट करेगा. एंड देन द कंक्रीट हैज़ लॉट ऑफ फ्लूइड मटेरियल वेयर द एग्रीगेट्स विल सेटल डाउन. मतलब क्या होगा, इतना फ्लूइड बढ़ जाएगा, हम वाटर बढ़ाएंगे तो इतना फ्लूइड बढ़ जाएगा कि एग्रीगेट्स सेटल डाउन हो जाएंगे. सेटल मतलब एग्रीगेट सेटल डाउन हो जाएंगे, मतलब सेग्रीगेशन होगा. देन वंस द वाटर इवेपोरेटेड इट लीव्स लॉट ऑफ वॉइड इन कॉन्क्रीट विच अफेक्ट्स द कॉन्क्रीट स्ट्रेंथ. तो वाटर क्या करेगा, कॉन्क्रीट के अंदर वॉइड्स बनाएगा. जितना ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर रहेगा वो मतलब जैसे जैसे टाइम जाएगा वो इवापोरेट हो जाएगा, और वो जहाँ वाटर था, वाटर इवापोरेट हो जाने के बाद वहाँ पर क्या बनेगा, वॉइड्स बनेगा वहाँ पर. सो टू मच ऑफ वाटर इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर द कॉन्क्रीट स्ट्रेंथ. देन व्हाट इज डफ-अब्राहम्स वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो लॉ. So, strength of concrete primarily depends upon the strength of cement paste, provided the mix is workable. So, that is Duff-Abrahams water cement ratio law. So, what he stated, that S is equal to A by B raised to X. So, what is X? It is water cement ratio by volume and for 28 days strength. A and B are constant, where S is equal to strength of concrete. Then this graph here shows that when water cement ratio increases, compressive strength of cement decreases. So Duff-Abraham, which the law by Duff-Abrahams is justified here in this graph. So here you can see fully compacted concrete. That dark line shows fully compacted concrete, and it shows that as water cement ratio increases, compressive strength decreases. Then here also this graph shows the relation between strength and cement water ratio. So here you can see cement water ratio. Previously we have seen water cement ratio versus compressive strength. Here you can see cement water ratio upon compressive strength. So as the cement water ratio is increasing, compressive strength is also increasing. Then significance of water cement ratio. The water cement ratio plays very vital role in concrete mix. If water cement ratio is less, the concrete becomes harsh and results in honeycombing or porous nature. Then if water cement ratio is more, then concrete undergoes segregation and bleeding. Therefore water cement ratio should be optimum, which is depends on grade of concrete and exposure conditions. Water cement ratio should be selected from IS 456-2000. Then water cement ratio for different grades. So water cement ratio, maximum water cement ratio for different grades of concrete as per IS 10262. So here grade of concrete and water cement ratio table is given. For M20 water cement ratio required is 0.55. For M25 it is 0.50. For M30 it is 0.45. For M35 it is 0.45. For M40 it is 0.40. Then factors affecting water cement ratio are internal moisture, temperature, strength required, and grading of aggregates. So internal moisture. If internal moisture condition of aggregate will greatly affect the water cement ratio. If aggregates are moist, then they will add water to the concrete, means add water, extra water with water cement ratio. And if they are dry, they will absorb the water from water cement ratio which is added for concrete mix. So this will affect the strength of concrete. Then temperature. So atmospheric temperature, it also alters the water cement ratio required for a design mix. Then strength required. So the strength of concrete reduces with increase in water cement ratio. We have already seen this. Then grading. Grading of aggregates affects the workability, which in turn affects the water cement ratio. Then how water cement ratio is calculated. So see, if quantity of cement is 12.5 kg and water cement ratio is given as 0.41. So how will we calculate the quantity of water added? So here it is solution given. So quantity of water required is equal to W is equal to 0.41, means water cement ratio into quantity of cement, that is 12.5 kg. So value comes out to be 5.125 liters. So this is how water cement ratio is calculated. So here this table shows the water cement ratio, minimum cement content, minimum grade of concrete for different exposure conditions. So for plain cement concrete, exposure condition is mild. Minimum cement content required is 220 kg per meter cube. Water cement ratio is 0.6. Then for moderate condition, 240 minimum cement content, water cement ratio 0.6, grade is suitable is M15. Then for severe condition, minimum cement content 250 kg per meter cube, water cement ratio 0.50 and grade M20. Very severe condition, minimum cement content in kg per meter cube is 260, water cement ratio 0.45 and grade is M20. Then for extreme it is 280, water cement ratio 0.4 and grade is again M25. Then next is for reinforced cement concrete. So for mild condition, minimum cement content is 300 kg per meter cube, water cement ratio 0.55 and grade is M30. Then for moderate condition, water cement ratio is 300, water cement ratio is 0.50, minimum cement content is 300 and minimum grade of concrete is M25. Then for severe condition, cement content is 320 kg per meter cube, water cement ratio 0.45, M30. Then for very severe, 340 cement content, water cement ratio 0.45 and minimum grade is M35. Then for extreme condition, minimum cement content 360 kg per meter cube, water cement ratio 0.40 and minimum grade is M40. Then summary. So in today's topic we have seen definition of water cement ratio, significance of water cement ratio for different grades, water cement ratio law, how water cement ratio is calculated. Then assignment question, define water cement ratio and then state Duff-Abraham's water cement ratio law, its equation and constants with graph. So this was all about today's video lecture. Thank you.